Public Works crews continue to improve the drainage and swales along Melville Road, which tie into the new stormwater treatment ponds in that area. Melville Road between Ulrich Road and Russ Road will be closed all through traffic between July 15th and August 15th. This closure will be in place while drainage improvements are installed. During this time, motorists heading north on Melville Road should detour west on Ulrich Road, north of Oleander, and then east on Midway. Motorists heading south on Melville Road should detour west on Midway Road, south on Oleander Avenue, and east on Ulrich Road. Motorists in the area should follow directional signs to access properties affected by this closure. This overall project is about 1/3 of the way completed using St. Lucie County staff. This phase of the project is expected to be finished in the fall of this year. Funding for this project comes from the 2008 voter-approved half-cent sales tax and a Department of Environmental Protection grant. The $1 million roadway improvement project continues on Seminole Road for the installation of guardrails and millings as part of the county's effort to reduce maintenance costs and improve safety. The 2.5-mile project from Indiana Road to Immokalee Road will include the realignment of the road with drainage and utility modifications, including the installation of new culverts. The project should be completed by the end of August. Contractors performing the work are South Florida Land Clearing, TSI Disaster Recovery, Asphalt Paving Systems, and Florida Roadway Guardrail and Signs.